Lindsay is a cafe owner. She received an order for an assortment of coffee beverages. Okay, so we're going to look at coffee. For Mr. Ang's birthday celebration, someone celebrating his birthday. Okay, and for his birthday celebration, he requested 150 cups of hot mocha, alright, and 250 bottles of cold brew coffee. Okay, so those numbers look important. And then we have certain, descriptions below. Okay, there's selling of coffee bean, fresh milk, and it's a lot of info. And then some stationery supplies. Okay, maybe that will come in relevant later. And then they say that, okay, a cup of hot mocha requires 3 grams of coffee beans and 150 ml of fresh milk. And then a bottle of cold brew coffee requires 2 grams coffee beans, 220 ml of fresh milk. Okay, and now they say calculate how much coffee beans do I need and fresh milk do I need for the birthday celebration. And so we look, for the birthday celebration, I need 150 cups hot mocha, 250 bottles cold brew. Right? So for birthday celebration, I'm just going to say it's going to require 150 cups of hot mocha, right, and 250 bottles of cold brew. And so each one, actually, you realize that even for hot mocha requires coffee beans and fresh milk, and then cold brew also requires coffee beans and fresh milk. So we need to calculate in total how much, right? And so we can say, okay, so coffee bean, how much coffee beans do we need? So each cup of hot mocha requires 3 grams of coffee beans, and then I have 150 cups, right? So it's just going to be 3 grams per cup, and then I have 150 cups. So this is from the hot mocha, right? And then I need to add, okay, for cold brew, each bottle requires 2 grams, and then I have 250 bottles. So that would be 2 times 250. Right, and then you key that into your calculator, and then you get 950 grams for coffee beans. And then we say, okay, how about fresh milk? Okay, so a cup of hot mocha requires 150 ml of fresh milk, and then we have 150 cups. So in total, we're going to have 150 ml for each cup, and then we have a total of 150 cups. Right? And then we say that, okay, for each bottle of cold brew, 220 ml of fresh milk, and we have 250 bottles of cold brew. So that will be 220 ml fresh milk for each bottle, but I have 250 bottles. So you add them up, what you get is this, of fresh milk. And there you go. Alright, and the next part says find the number of A4 sticker sheets required. Assume 1 sticker per cup or bottle. Okay, so we just need to know how many cups and bottles we have. So we have 150 cups hot mocha, 250 bottles. So the total would simply be, so if it's 1 sticker per cup or bottle, so total number of stickers would simply be 150 plus 250, which gives me 400. Right? And then it says, okay, I have 400 stickers. How many A4 sticker sheets do I need? And then we see, okay, do I have anything about stickers here? Each A4 sheet contains 5 stickers. So I'm going to say, okay, I have 400 stickers. So number of A4 sheets would therefore be 400 divided by 5, since each sheet has 5 stickers. And then we get 80. Awesome. Part C. Now she wants to make at least 50% profit and suggests the minimum amount she should charge Mr. Ang, right? How much should she charge him so that she will make at least 50% profit? And then justify the decision you make and show your calculations clearly. Cool. So let's just look. Okay, so there are many things that go into it, right? We have stickers on each cup or bottle, and then we have But ultimately what we need is we need 150 cups of hot mocha and 250 bottles of cold brew, right? And it's just that there are a lot of things that go into it. So let's just look one thing at a time, okay? So the table actually helps us. So let's look at coffee beans first, right? So let's look at coffee beans. How much is it going to cost her for all the coffee beans, right? We need 950 grams. So let's just write it down. Need 950 grams at least, okay? And so we look, okay, so if we bought this bag, and then if we buy another 200 grams, 550 plus 300 is only 850, so it's not enough. We need 950. So I think it's the cheapest if we buy 2 of the 550 grams bag, right? So we say we're going to buy 2 times of the 550 grams bag. So the cost will therefore be simply $59 times 2, which is 180. Okay, I'm going to box it up. Okay, coffee beans, done. Next thing, fresh milk. We're going to need fresh milk to make all the coffee. And for fresh milk, we need, how much? We need 77,500 ml. So we need 77,500 ml, which really, if you divide by 1,000, that is 77.5 liters of fresh milk. Then we look, okay, how do we get that? So if you play around with the numbers, okay, you will see that we need 77.5. So you will see eventually that the best way to get it is that you take this, you buy it 3 times, and then you take this, and then you go buy it 3 times. So of course, this is 12 times 2 liters, right? Which is, for each set, there'll be 24. 12 times 2, 24, and then 24 times 3, and that is 72 liters. So maybe let me just write it down. So 12 times 2, and then times 3, this will give me 72 liters, right? And then, of course, how many liters do I need? I need 77.5 liters. So it doesn't make sense to spend so much money again. So we buy the 2 liter one. So 2 liter and then 3 times, that will give me 6 liters in total. So, right, 1 2 liter bottle, and then 3 times of it will be 3 times 2, which is 6 liters. And then of course total this will be 78 liters. So that's good. That's a good number. Okay, so we come back here and we say fresh milk, we need 77.5. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that we're going to buy 3 sets of the 12 times 2 liter bottles, which is going to cost me this much. And then after that, 3 sets of the 1 times 2 liter bottle, which will cost me this much. And so total cost of milk, we just add them up. Okay, good. Now we're done with coffee, beans, and milk. And then we look, okay, what else? Alright, there's probably going to be paper cups, right? Because we need 150 cups. And so we need enough paper cups. And you will see that the best way to do it, eventually, will be you buy 8 rolls. You need 8 rolls of paper cups because 1 roll is 20 paper cups. So we need 8 rolls. So we get 160. Right, because if you buy 7 rolls, you only get 140 cups, but you need 150 cups. So you need 8 rolls. And so you just buy 6 rolls, we buy it 1 time, and then this 1 roll we buy 2 times. Total of 8 rolls. Okay, And so what it would look like would be this paper cup. So 1 time of the 6 roll, so there will be this amount, and then 2 times of the 1 roll, which is 2 times $4.50. So 2 times $4.50, and that will give me $33.50. So these paper cups. Okay, and then we need, we need bottles, right? We need the bottles to store all the cold brew coffee. So we need 250 bottles. For 250 bottles, then you will look how you get there eventually. We try to multiply this by the largest number possible, and then we top up with 6 bottles. And so why don't we try saying, since we need 250 bottles, so box of 24 bottles, how about we get this 10 times? Then that will give us 240 bottles. Then we just need 10 more. And then since you only need 10 more, then no point buying 1 more box of 24. Let's buy 2 boxes of the 6 bottles. Yeah. So this will give us 240 bottles. This will give us 12 bottles. Then total will be 240 times 12. Plus 12, sorry. 240 plus 12, which is 252 bottles. So yeah, I mean, more or less, definitely is enough for 250. And not too much more that we're wasting money. Alright, then let's go there. So 2 times of the 6 bottle one, so there's 2 times 6. So 2 times 6. And then we plus 10 times of the 24 bottle pack. So 10 times 19. 10 times 19. Right, of course if it makes you more comfortable, you can do this. Yep, and you will see that this costs $202 for the bottles. Cool. And then what else do we need? So we still need stickers. So let's just check. Okay, we've done coffee bean, fresh milk, we've done paper cups, put the coffee in the cups, put the coffee in the bottles. We need stickers. Okay, how many stickers? We need 80 stickers. So you might be tempted to say, hey, pack of 80 must be the cheapest, let's just do this. I mean, you could, it's convenient, but if you go and see, and you really try to do it, if you're really trying to save money, it's quite interesting because you see that if you get 1 time of this, so 50 sheets, right, you need 80 sheets. And then we go get 3 times of this, the cost is actually lower if you go and compare. And you'll see it. So for stickers, if you get 3 times of the 10 sheets, so it's 3 times 2.8. Right? And then we get 1 time of the 50 sheets, so it's 1 times 10, or we can just say it's plus 10. And then you do the math, and you see that this is $18.40. So it's actually cheaper to buy it separately than buying it all in one pack, right? It's almost like cheating, but yeah. So if you want to make the most profit, you lower your costs, and that's how you do it. And so stickers, $18.40. Okay, so stickers, we're done. Okay. Okay, and so let's look. Did they ask for any delivery? No, so let's not care about delivery. Ink cartridge. Okay, since we are printing stickers, I believe. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna print stickers. I think let's go for color printing. Since they are stickers after all. So $90 for the ink cartridge. Okay. So for color printing, $90. Okay. I think we found all our necessary costs. So we say okay. So let's look. Okay, total cost. Total cost. We have all these. I'm going to just highlight for you. Right. And so we just add them up. So we say it's going to be 118 plus 174.15 plus 33.5 plus 202, 18.4, 90. Total cost will give me $636.05. I want to make at least 50% profit. So how much should I charge this person? Let's say, so we want to find 150%. So we divide by 100, multiply by 150. I should charge the person at least $954.08. There you go.